yeah. So that's like such a debated topic.
Yeah, I was ready for you to just rip me a new one. Here we go.
You know what? I even a year ago, I think everyone used to do this. But so what I see, and I was trying to like not go too crazy with it, but what I've heard, like even Brian Johnson and stuff, and like the more advanced PPC guys, what we've seen, if you add way too many negatives, like relevant negatives, because this here is a relevant negative.
Yep.
Right? Like you should be converting on this keyword. This kind of triggers Amazon's algorithm to say, hey, is he not a golf club brush?
Yep.
And like what they've seen is like, say you add 1,000 negatives to this auto and they're all negatives that you've gotten an order for.
Yep.
Then Amazon starts to be like, is this not the product it's saying it is? Because they're negating these. So they don't want to show up for these keywords, but we thought this is what they were.
That makes complete sense.
So I don't do this anymore. I mean, first off, it's crazy time consuming, right? If you have 100 products.
Yep.
But I normally don't do this. I keep the auto running. These are going to keep getting sales. And then right, you bet them in manually, and then the manual ones will eventually just kind of take over.
Cool. So what you're saying is really don't put them as negatives. Take these keywords, use them in my manual campaigns as well, because Amazon will not compete against itself or make me compete against myself. And then eventually the auto campaigns will start to add new words anyways.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Exactly. Because you're going to bid on this manual, and this manually is going to get way more clicks and orders than it is in the auto. So this keyword it'll die off in the auto, and then a new one will pop up. You bid on that manual, like it's like always a constant process.
Yep.
But you need to cut like feed the machine of the auto. And these negatives are kind of like taking the steam away from the autos.
Okay. That makes complete sense. That and the fact that autos have their own special place. I've just been, at a disadvantage or putting myself in a disadvantage.
Right. Just on product pages, they do, right? In search results, they show up like everywhere else. But yeah, that's why there's two spots here.
Word to the wise. Thank you for that.
Yeah.